For today's video, we are going to make this very easy to make witch hat. We are going to make a circle and I will be using this. If you don't have a compass, you can always use like this. So here, I think, and I'm going to tie here. I just estimated the size and I will put the pencil here and let's put it in the middle and turn it around like that to make the circle. And then just cut it out. I think I want to make it a little bit bigger. After cutting this, just find something that can fit the head. I'm just gonna use this one. There we go. And I'm going to cut in the middle. There. And then we're going to make a cone. That can fit here. Like that. Okay. And let's glue it here. Now we are going to put it here. Cut out the excess. Then we are going to make a line around. There you go. And then we are just going to cut like this until they're in the lines we made earlier. After cutting, we are just going to do like this. Put this here. Glue here. We can cut this out. There you go. And it's done. And I'm going to put a ribbon around it. There. And also, let's put this and glue it here.